Hey everyone, welcome to Hanoi. This city is a feast for the senses, especially for food lovers. We're about to embark on a delicious journey through the bustling streets of Vietnam's capital to uncover the hidden gems of Hanoi's street food scene. From iconic dishes to hidden local favorites, we'll dive into the heart and soul of Hanoi's culinary treasures. So, loosen your belts, grab your chopsticks, and let's hit the streets for an unforgettable food adventure. All right, folks, we're starting strong with the undisputed king of Vietnamese cuisine, pho. This iconic noodle soup is a staple in Hanoi and a must-try for any visitor. The beauty of pho lies in its simplicity and the depth of flavor that comes from hours of simmering beef bones and spices. In Hanoi, you'll find two main varieties, pho bo with tender slices of beef and pho ga featuring flavorful chicken. But no matter which you choose, the real star is the broth, rich, aromatic, and utterly irresistible. Fresh herbs like Thai basil, cilantro, and mint are essential, adding a burst of freshness that elevates the entire dish. And let's not forget the squeeze of lime, a touch of chili, and a dash of fish sauce. These condiments allow you to customize your bowl to your liking. One of the best things about pho is that it can be enjoyed any time of day, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You'll find street vendors and small shops serving up steaming bowls of this beloved soup all over Hanoi. Just follow your nose to the nearest aroma of star anise and cinnamon, and you'll be in pho heaven. Trust me, one sip and you'll understand why pho is considered the national dish of Vietnam. So, when in Hanoi, do as the locals do and indulge in a soul-satisfying bowl of pho. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with another Vietnamese classic, Banh Mi. This iconic sandwich is a testament to Vietnam's French colonial past, but with a distinctly Vietnamese twist. Picture this, a perfectly crusty baguette, spread with a touch of pâté and mayonnaise, and then piled high with savory fillings like grilled pork, pickled vegetables, cilantro, and a dash of chili sauce. The baguette, with its crispy exterior and airy interior, is the perfect vessel for the symphony of flavors inside. The savory meats, the tangy pickled daikon and carrots, the fresh herbs, and the spicy kick of chili sauce all come together in perfect harmony. Banh Mi is a true street food icon, sold from countless street stalls and small shops throughout Hanoi. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a satisfying snack, or a late-night bite, Banh Mi is always a good idea. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable, making it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. So, when you're exploring the streets of Hanoi and that craving for something savory and satisfying hits, be sure to grab a Banh Mi. Bun cha, my friends, is not just a dish, it's a culinary experience that has captured the hearts and stomachs of locals and world leaders alike. This Hanoi specialty was made famous by none other than Anthony Bourdain and former President Barack Obama. It's all about the smoky, charred flavors of grilled pork, served alongside cold vermicelli noodles, fresh herbs, and a tangy dipping sauce. Imagine this, juicy pork patties and thin slices of marinated pork belly, grilled over hot coals until caramelized and slightly smoky. The grilled pork is then served with a plate of cold vermicelli noodles, a generous helping of fresh herbs like mint, basil, and lettuce, and a bowl of dipping sauce, a delightful concoction of fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, and chili. You take a bit of everything, noodles, herbs, pork, and dunk it into the tangy dipping sauce, creating a flavor explosion in every bite. It's the perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy, and the combination of textures from the soft noodles to the crunchy vegetables and the tender, smoky pork is simply divine. If you want to eat like a president or a world-renowned chef, then bun cha is a must-try when you're in Hanoi. It's a dish that embodies the essence of Vietnamese cuisine, fresh, flavorful, and utterly satisfying. Prepare to be amazed by Hanoi's most iconic coffee creation, egg coffee. This unique and indulgent beverage is a testament to Vietnamese ingenuity and their love affair with coffee. Born out of necessity during milk shortages in the 1940s, egg coffee has become a beloved Hanoi tradition. Imagine this, a rich, velvety, smooth, and slightly sweet coffee topped with a fluffy, meringue-like egg foam that's both decadent and delicious. Egg yolks are whisked with condensed milk and sugar until they transform into a light, airy cloud, resembling a delicate meringue. This ethereal foam is then gently spooned over a shot of strong, dark Vietnamese coffee, creating a stunning contrast of textures and flavors. The bitterness of the coffee is perfectly balanced by the sweetness of the egg foam, and the result is a harmonious blend that is both comforting and indulgent. You can find egg coffee served in many cafes throughout Hanoi, from traditional coffee shops to trendy modern cafes. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or simply looking for a unique and memorable experience, egg coffee is a must-try in Hanoi. It's a true testament to the creativity and resourcefulness of Vietnamese cuisine. Get ready to dive into the world of crispy, savory goodness with Hanoi's irresistible street snacks, nem ran and nem qua bay. These deep-fried delights are the perfect on-the-go treats, bursting with flavor and satisfying those crunchy cravings. First up, we have nem ran, also known as Vietnamese spring rolls. These crispy, golden brown rolls are filled with a savory mixture of minced pork, mushrooms, vermicelli noodles, and aromatic spices. They're deep-fried to perfection, creating a satisfying crunch with every bite. The filling is juicy and flavorful, and the dipping sauce, a tangy blend of fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, and chili, adds another layer of delicious complexity. Next, we have nem qua bi, which translates to crab cake. But don't let the name fool you. These little fritters are much more than just crab. They're made with a mixture of crab meat, minced pork, taro, and sometimes shrimp, all bound together with tapioca starch and deep-fried until golden and crispy. You'll find nem ran and nem qua be sold all over Hanoi, from street food stalls to small eateries. So, when you're feeling peckish and need a quick bite, keep an eye out for these golden brown treats. They're a true taste of Hanoi's street food scene. Prepare to be transported to culinary heaven with chaka, a Hanoi specialty that's as unique as it is delicious. This turmeric-infused fish dish is a true testament to the city's culinary heritage. Chaka is all about the delicate flavors of fish, elevated by the fragrant spices and herbs that make Vietnamese cuisine so special. Imagine this: tender, flaky fish, marinated in a blend of turmeric, dill, garlic, and other spices, pan-fried to perfection and served with a medley of fresh herbs, rice noodles, and a dipping sauce that will have you craving for more. The turmeric gives the fish a beautiful golden hue and a subtle earthy flavor, while the dill adds a refreshing, slightly anise-like aroma. The fish is cooked just right, retaining its moisture and flakiness, and the combination of textures and flavors is simply divine. Chaka is typically served with rice noodles, which you can either mix into the pan with the fish or enjoy on the side. A generous helping of fresh herbs, such as dill, cilantro, mint, and sometimes peanuts, adds another layer of flavor and freshness to the dish. It's a dish best enjoyed in good company, sharing the flavorful bounty with friends and family. No culinary journey is complete without a sweet ending. And in Hanoi, you'll find a delightful array of treats to satisfy your sweet tooth. From refreshing fruit-based desserts to rich and creamy indulgences, Hanoi's dessert scene is a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. One of the most popular desserts is chi, a Vietnamese term for a wide variety of sweet beverages, puddings, and soups. Chi can be served hot or cold and often features ingredients like mung beans, black beans, kidney beans, tapioca pearls, jelly, fruit, and coconut milk. Another must-try is banh flan, a Vietnamese version of creme caramel with a smooth, silky texture and a rich caramelized flavor. For a taste of something refreshing and fruity, try hoa qua dam, a colorful fruit salad that's often served with crushed ice, condensed milk, and sometimes yogurt. And if you're looking for something a bit more adventurous, try banh cam, a deep-fried sesame ball filled with sweet mung bean paste. These golden brown balls are crispy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside, with a sweet and satisfying filling. So be sure to leave some room for dessert and explore the city's delightful array of sweet treats. From the soul-satisfying pho to the crispy banh mi and the unique egg coffee, Hanoi's street food scene is a culinary adventure that will leave you craving for more. So, the next time you find yourself in Vietnam's vibrant capital, be sure to come hungry and immerse yourself in the city's incredible food culture. Remember to try everything, embrace the unknown, and most importantly, enjoy every bite. Until next time, happy eating! Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey through Hanoi's street food scene. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more food adventures and let me know in the comments which dish you're most excited to try. That's a taste of what you'll find on the streets of Hanoi. Here are a few tips to make the most of your street food adventure. Stick with busy stalls for freshness. Bring cash, as most vendors don't accept cards. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more travel tips and food tours.